All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. Yep, this token is down right now. This would be a discount buy when I talk about 10, 12, 15, 20%. So Dogelon Mars is going to be in the discount buy. Also the two new listings on Gemini last month and Huobi last month. We're going to talk about that. Go to the website, go to their Twitter, all kinds of good stuff on Dogelon Mars. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, take a look at the red. Everything is red. Dogelon Mars is down 22% in the last 7 days. It's down 10% in the last 24 hours. Now, 7 days, 22%. I talk about the discount buys, buying the dip, 12, 15, 20%. This could be a good time to buy the dip, discount buy, Dogelon Mars. Clicking it, down 11% in the last 24 hours. Take a look at our 7 days. So up here, it was at 1579. And just kind of kept coming down to 14. And now it's at 11. And it's going down and going down. So Dogelon Mars is a little bit down right this second. Hitting the holders. Let's see where the holders are at the last 90 days. Hitting 3 months. Well, in the last 3 months, we had about 73,000 people holding Dogelon Mars. Oh, by the way, I get told all the time that it's not a meme coin. On my people post that, I'm going to go to an article that calls Dogelon Mars a meme coin. I don't know if it is or not. People say it's not, but I'm going to read an article that says it is. All right, there's 125,000 holders opposed to 73. 70 and 70 is 140. Oh, it's up about 80%. Yep, Dogelon Mars has 80% more holders in just the last 90 days. So this big thing is Dogelon Mars a meme token or is Dogelon Mars not a meme token? I get people in the comment section, I hate that you call it a meme token, Frank. All right, let's check this out. So right here on Yahoo Finance, it says, what is Dogelon Mars? Dogelon Mars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. Let's repeat it again. Dogelon Mars is a themed meme coin. I just read this stuff, guys. I know you tell me that you hate the Elon Musk's name and link to the most famous moon meme. The most famous moon meme. Okay. So, I don't know. Okay, let's go back to the top here. There's some good things on this. Dogelon Mars on the move after exchange exclusions. Okay, 2 tokens onto the exchange continue to deliver strong price support in response to the news over the last week. Now, right here it says that this week Dogecoin's competitor, Dogelon Mars, found strong support following 2 exclusions on 2 leading exchanges. Now, this is about last month, but I'm using this to show you the meme coin. 2 leading exchanges. Gemini announced they would support Elon in trading on API FIX. An active trader application for USD. On the mobile application, Gemini would also make Elon available for trading. Elon pairing with USD, GBP, EUR, and CAD available. Now listen to this. Huobi Global. Following Tuesday's listing of Gemini, Huobi asked their users and cryptos what would you like to see on the support. 54% of them reported that they would like to have Elon on their site. 54%. 54% want Elon. Well, Huobi Global announced Elon is listed on Thursday. And for all my people out there to say that Dogelon Mars is not a meme coin, this is the only reason I'm reading this. I know that Gemini was a month ago, and I know that Huobi Global was also a month ago, but I did like the part about 54%. You know, they asked them, hey guys, what would you like us to do? What companies, what products? And 54% come back with Dogelon Mars. But right here, Dogelon Mars, dog theme meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon, took its harness after the success of Dogecoin, Shiba, and Floki. In spite of Dogelon, Elon Musk named the link to the famous moon meme. Dogelon Mars has seen sharp increases to the followers. Twitter's followers have reported exceeding over 300,000, and Telegram followers have rose to over 80,000. I mean, again, I don't like to call things the wrong thing, but I keep reading stuff that Dogelon Mars is a meme coin. That's all I'm doing. So, all right, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Hey, everybody, cryptocurrency is here to stay. Let's get a couple on your radar that you're going to like to track, watch, maybe even one day own some of that Dogelon Mars or those cryptocurrencies. All right, it says, how much money would a 45-year-old should invest each month to become a millionaire by age 65? This is the good question. If you want to have $1 million by the time you're 65 saved and you're 45 right now, how much money are you going to need to save? Well, they give you 3 different categories. They give you a 3%, a 6%, and a 9%. Let's hear what that says. All right, saving money to become a millionaire. How much money a 45-year-old need to save to invest to become a millionaire? So right here is a 3% category. We have a second category right here at 6%. We have a third category at 9%. So right here, if you're making investments that yield 3% a year at 45 years old, you would have to invest $3,100 per month to reach $1 million by age 65. So $3,100 a month is around $38,000 a year. So put around $38,000 a year away, and you're a millionaire at age 65. If you had a 6% return, which is a combination of stocks and bonds, if you were getting about 6%, you only need to, if they contributed and give you a return of 6% yearly, you would only have to put $2,200 a month aside for 20 years, and you would have $1 million, and you would have $1 million by the time you're 65. And the last one, and surely not least, is 9%. The 9% is basically a portfolio of stocks, heavily contains index and mutual funds, would average around 9%. If you were getting 9% and you were 45, you would have to, right here, put $1,600 a month in, or $20,000 a year for 20 years, and you would have $1 million saved by the time you're 65. Now, what if you were sitting there and you're like, but Frank, I'm only 40. Well, they even did that. Look, at 40 and getting that 9%, you would only have to put $950 a month instead of $1,600. So if you are younger than 45, you have to put less money in. If you're older, let's say you were 47, 2 years older, then you're going to have to make some adjustments and put more money in. All right, based on this, so far, Dogelon Mars is a meme coin, according to that article. Dogelon Mars, discount buy could happen right now, 23% down. How can you become a millionaire by the time you're 65? Just save your money. 3%, 6%, or 9%. All kinds of good stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, let's head back over to Dogelon Mars for a little price prediction. Go over to the website and do a little more Dogelon Mars. I want to show you this on the Twitter. Deposits and withdrawals of Elon are available on crypto.com. It says right here, Cronus. Deposits and withdrawals are enabled on crypto.com. So you can buy your Dogelon or your Elon today. Go to crypto.com to do it. All right, over here at the website real quick. This is a revamped, brand new website about a month ago. They revamped everything. Down here at the bottom, you have your places. There's your Gemini listing. There's your Hobie listing, KuCoin, OKEX, Uniswap, and Crypto.com. Here's where you can get your Dogelon Mars, everybody. I am Dogelon Mars. Join me, and together we will reach the stars. They got their comic section you can check out. The biggest thing I like is this is a cryptocurrency that is designed for intergalactic travel to Mars. So when we're all getting ready to go to Mars, Elon Musk, SpaceX, so however we're getting there, you're going to have to pay for it. Well, how are you going to pay? That's right. They're already taking care of that today. Dogelon Mars. All right, this coin is ranked 113th. It's got 656.78 market cap, M. Quick start how you can actually buy your Elon today at the bottom of the website. All right, back over here at Coin Market Cap for our price prediction. This token is down right now. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and 1187. My prediction is 5 zeros and a 4000, about a 3x right here by the end of the first quarter. Right now, we got the discount buys going on. A lot of things are happening for Dogelon Mars. People are liking it. Intergalactic travel, all kinds of good stuff. Don't forget, all our information is for educational purposes only. We do this show for entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial planner. All right, again, Dogelon Mars, 113. Take a look at this, 22% down. Holy cow. Let's go over to the top 10, see if there's some discount buys. Just starting at the top 20, Uniswap, 16% down. Keep that on your radar. Crypto.com, down 21%. Chainlink is strong, 19% up. Polygon is down 16%. Shiba Inu could be a discount buy, down 18%. Dogecoin down 15%. Right now, Polkadot's down 20%. Holy cow. Luna's down 24%. XRP's down 12%. Cardano is down 15%. Even Solana's got a big 20% down. BNB is down 17%. Ethereum is at $3,000, down 18%. And Bitcoin is at 41,000, trying to get that support level, 41, 42. Somebody said to me the other day, will we ever see 60,000 again? I don't know. That's about a 50% gain if we did 60,000. So Bitcoin is right now 9% down. All right. So Dogelon Mars, become a millionaire when you're 65 by saving. Checking all kinds of things out. Discount buy lands going on right now. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Today's a bonus video. Hey everybody, have a fantastic day today.